Hello viewers, during Amazon's Great Indian Sale, I have bought this tripod. This is 2-in-1 lightweight aluminum tripod with monopod. It actually has 3 ways. In this video, I will unbox this product and show you what are the components that you will get along with this tripod. So let's jump into the unboxing of this product. At the time of unboxing this product, you will get a carry bag for carrying this tripod. So this is a very handy and sturdy bag, I would say, and inside this bag actually the tripod is placed. Inside this wrapper actually you will get the tripod and a holder for mobile. You can see this is the holder for holding your mobile, and this is the tripod. This is very sturdy as it is aluminum built. You can see that the build quality is excellent. This iPod has an extendable height of 52 to 160 centimeter and it comes with a monopod. The height of the monopod is 45 to 104 centimeter. So you will have great experience using this, and this is the lock. You can use this, and also if you unlock you can adjust or you can open the flip, and you can see it is very sturdy, feeling is very good. And this is actually the monopod. You can use it the way you like. Actually this monopod is also extendable, so you can extend the height of the monopod, and this also made of aluminum. Like this you can extend the height and the length. So this is also a very good thing, and the most important thing that it is foldable, so you can fold this like this. Using this handle you can adjust the height and the position according to your preference. This is also very sturdy. Also you can open like this section, so this is also something that you can open. Now this is the mobile holder. You can put your mobile like this, and also you have to connect this here. So this is the unboxing of this Amazon Basics 2-in-1 tripod. You can see that all the things are given here, and it has a very good build quality, though the mobile holder is not so good, but I would say that this is a very good. Now I will show you the height of this tripod. You can see that it is about 6 feet tall, and for your reference I have put my old tripod along with this. Actually the size is maximum for your need, so I think this will definitely serve your purpose of recording. Now talking about the price, during Amazon Great Indian Sale I have bought this tripod at about 1599 rupees. So if you are interested to buy this tripod, links are in the description below. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos.